Imagine starting from zero, no savings, no rich parents, no connections, and still ending up financially free. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today I'll show you exactly how to build wealth from scratch, step by step, even if you're starting with nothing. So if you're tired of being broke or just want to finally take control of your money, stay with me till the end, because the last step most people ignore is the real key to wealth, step 1. Change how you think about money. Wealth doesn't start in your bank account, it starts in your mind. Most people think money is something you work for, but wealthy people, they make money work for them. Stop believing that wealth is only for the lucky. It's for those who plan, learn, and stay consistent. The moment you see money as a tool to grow, you've already taken the first step to financial freedom. Step 2, master the art of budgeting and saving. You can't build wealth if you don't control what you already have. Start simple. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. And remember, saving $100 or $1,000 each week may not sound like much, but it builds the most powerful habit in money, discipline. Always pay yourself first, even if it's small. Step 3. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on one source of income is risky. One paycheck can vanish, but multiple income streams keep you safe and growing. Start a side hustle, offer freelance services, or create digital assets, like YouTube videos, online courses, or ebooks. The goal? Earn even while you sleep. Step 4. Learn to invest wisely. You can't save your way to wealth. Inflation eats savings. Investing is what multiplies your money. Start small and invest in what you understand. Stocks and ETFs, real estate, crypto, or Forex, only with knowledge. The rule is simple. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. Step 5. Develop high-value skills. The higher your value, the higher your income. If you want to earn more, learn more. Some high-value skills in 2025 include digital marketing, copywriting, trading, and AI tools. When your skill is rare and useful, money finds you. Step 6. Manage debt wisely. Debt can either build you or break you. Bad debt, like borrowing for luxury, keeps you poor. Good debt, like investing in education or business, helps you grow. Borrow to build, not to impress. Step 7. Build an emergency fund. Life happens, a medical bill, job loss, or car repair. Without savings, one problem can destroy years of progress. Save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. It's your safety net, your first layer of financial protection. Step 8. Create systems, not just goals. Wealth isn't built by setting random goals. It's built by creating systems. Automate your savings, invest monthly, and review your budget regularly. Small, consistent actions always beat big, inconsistent efforts. Step 9. Network and learn from others. You grow faster when you learn from people who've already done it. Join financial communities, mentorships, or online groups. The right circle will motivate, guide, and connect you to opportunities money can't buy. Step 10. Protect and scale your wealth. Once money starts coming in, don't lose it. Protect your wealth through insurance, assets, and smart decisions. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's how much you keep and grow. Learn to scale, invest profits, build assets, and think long-term. Building wealth from scratch isn't about luck. It's about patience, focus, and smart decisions. Even if you're earning little now, consistency can turn it into something powerful. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe for more videos on financial freedom, side hustles, and investing tips. Your journey to wealth starts today.